Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Onigiri token. Ticker symbol is ONI. Now this is a very popular meme coin right now. This is part of the Doge family, I believe. There's been a lot of tokens come out recently that are part of the same family. I guess the owner of Kabosu has another dog, a brand new dog they just posted on their socials named Neiro, and that was a very popular project. And then there was a couple other tokens come out. Jinin was one of them. The other one was Suji, I think. And then now we have Onigiri, which is supposedly Neiro's brother. And this token has a $3.6 million market cap. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain and is trending number 7 right now on Dex Screener. Doing very well, this project. We're going to go over the information on the Onigiri token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I could be pronouncing it wrong, but it looks like Onigiri. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. Their Twitter, their x.com is at onigiricat_ERC. They also have a Telegram that you could follow at onigiricat_ETH_ETH. So it says brother of Doge and Neiro. Obviously not biological. They have 1,743 subscribers on the Telegram. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token, along with their Twitter. They're going to have, like, new token listing announcements, new partnerships, of course, memes, maybe pictures of the real cat, all that type of stuff. So 48 posts on the Twitter so far. It says Oni, O-N-I, the ticker symbol, the famous brother of Doge and Neiro. Join our Telegram. And then it has a link to the Telegram. I do believe that people have made different tokens with this same name here, so don't get confused. People are like, this is the fake one, this is this is that, whatever. I mean, you decide what token you like. The people, like, especially with this Neiro token, there's 2 very popular Solana tokens, and people are arguing over which one's the best one. It's like, just pick whatever one, you like. And that's the weird thing, is people say it's the fake one or whatever. Like, what does that even mean? But anyways, so there is other tokens, I believe, named Onigiri. I think I saw one with the ticker symbol Onigiri, and this one has a different ticker symbol, ONI. So they're probably on different chains. Maybe there's one on Base, maybe there's one on Sol, etc. So this is the Ethereum one that seems to be the most popular, trending number 7 right now on Dex Screener, like I said. But it's brand new. You can see that they just joined Twitter in August 2024. Has a link to their webpage and the Telegram right there on the Twitter, so you can basically find all the links there. OnigiriCatCoin.xyz, 1,215 followers, and they just tweeted out August 1st, and they pinned this tweet. It says, "We are live," and it has the contract address right there in the pinned tweet. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap and then trade your ETH for this token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet right there or on their official webpage, onigiricatcoin.xyz. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And we'll have a look here to see if we could see anything like that. Now on their webpage, they do have a DEX Tools chart button that'll tell you the taxes on there most likely. And they have a buy button on their webpage, take you to Uniswap, Twitter, Telegram, memes, of course, picture of the cat, contract address. It says Kabosu and Neiro's favorite brother. Has a picture of the actual cat and a tweet from at Kabosu Mama, and that looks like an Instagram actually post, not a tweet. And so you can find them on Instagram and follow the actual lady that owned Doge and owns Neiro and this cat here, and then I think the other one's called Jinin and Suji. I mean, how many animals does this lady have here? I mean, she's just probably raking it in somehow, though, with all these animals and the popularity of Doge. She's hopefully selling merch or something, doing something here. And yeah, so they have the Etherscan on their webpage as well. So you could check that out. At the very bottom of the webpage, they have a contact email, contact@onigiricatcoin.xyz. And so, yeah, on Dex Screener here, it says they have $278,000 in liquidity, or $286,000 now in liquidity in Uniswap. And they do have a lock button. So, yeah, this token is just super volatile. It's got a $4.2 million trading volume today. It says it's down 34.53% in the past 20 hours, but it's almost up 80% in the past 6 hours. So it's just going up and down all over the place. 91.21% of the total liquidity is locked and burned, according to Dex Screener. Token price is about 5.9 cents per token right now. And they do have a couple quick audits here. Let's see if we could. So there's a Go Plus security audit and a Quick Intel security audit. And they both say no issues on there. It says 0 out of 100 on Token Sniffer, though. I don't know if that's accurate or what, but that's what it says on Dex Screener. They have two perfect audits and then 0 out of 100. I don't know how these conflicting audits make any sense, but just take into account it says 0 out of 100. It says 0% buy and sell tax. So just totally be aware of the slippage. You probably won't have to set it though, but there is going to be gas fees as well. 1,876 or 73 holders right now, 18 decimal places on this token, and there's a max total supply 420,690,000,000 tokens. You can find this token on Etherscan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.